Hello students, good morning. Today we will learn second formed element, leukocytes or WBCs or white blood corpuscles, its types, and third formed element, platelets or thrombocytes, and coagulation of blood or clotting of blood. First, we will learn second formed element, leukocytes or WBCs or white blood corpuscles. Leukocytes are colorless, hence which is called as the white blood corpuscles. Leukocytes are colorless, nucleated amoeboid cells. Leukocytes are colorless, nucleated amoeboid cells larger than the RBCs. Leukocytes show a amoeboid movement which is known as the diapedices. Diapedices or what is diapedices? Define the term diapedices or what is diapedices? Answer: due to their amoeboid movement, they can squeeze or move out. They can squeeze or move out from the capillary wall. Is called diapedices. What is diapedices? Diapedices is the amoeboid movement. Due to their amoeboid movement, they can squeeze or move out of the capillary wall. Is called as the diapedices. Then, a normal adult has an average number is about 5,000 to 11,000 WBCs per cubic mm of blood. A normal adult has an average number is about 5,000 to 11,000 WBCs per cubic mm of blood. It's called as the total WBC count. What is the total WBC count? Is the 5,000 to 11,000 WBCs per cubic mm of blood in a normal adult human. Then the average lifespan is about 3 to 4 days. The lifespan of WBCs is 3 to 4 days. Then next, what is leukopoiesis? Or define the term leukopoiesis. Formation or production of WBCs is called as the leukopoiesis. Formation or production of WBCs is called as the leukopoiesis. It occurs in red bone marrow, spleen, lymph nodes, tonsils, thymus, and the Peyer's patches. It occurs in red bone marrow, spleen, lymph nodes, tonsils, thymus, Peyer's patches. Then second term, what is leukocytosis? Or define the term leukocytosis. It is a temporary increase in number of WBCs. It's called as the leukocytosis. Leukocytosis is a temporary increase in number of WBCs. It's called leukocytosis. Temporary increase of WBCs infection. It also occur in pregnancy and in newborn babies. Leukocytosis occur due to infection. It also occurs in pregnancy and in newborn babies. The next term is the leukopenia. What is leukopenia? Decrease in their number is called as the leukopenia. Decrease in their number is called as the leukopenia. It is common in AIDS, TB patient and those exposed to radiation, shock, etc. Leukopenia occurs or common in AIDS, TB patients or those exposed to radiation, shock, etc. Then next, leukemia, or which is also known as the blood cancer. Leukemia, or which is also commonly known as the blood cancer. It is a uncontrolled leukemia or blood cancer is a uncontrolled pathological increase. Uncontrolled or pathological increase in number of WBCs is called as the blood cancer. Blood cancer is the uncontrolled or pathological increase the number of WBCs. Then functions. First function, the dead WBCs are destroyed by phagocytosis. Means first function of WBCs is the phagocytosis occur in blood, liver and lymph nodes. Then second function which concern with defense mechanism, that is protection. Okay, next point. Next, these are colorless, irregular nucleated cells and polymorphism, and it shows polymorphism means exists in various or variable forms. Leukocytes are classified into two main types. Leukocytes are classified into two main types, such as first is the granulocytes and second type is the agranulocytes. First type, granulocytes. In granulocytes, WBC shows granular cytoplasm and lobed nucleus. In granulocytes shows granular cytoplasm and lobed nucleus. Granulocytes constitute about 72% of total WBCs. Granulocytes constitutes about 72% of total WBCs. Cytoplasmic granules are actually a secretory vesicles. Cytoplasmic granules are the actually secretory vesicles which contains various secretions, enzymes, etc. Granules are actually secretory vesicles which contains various secretions, enzymes, etc. granulocytes are again classified into three types on the basis of or on the depending upon staining property of granules which is present in the cytoplasm. Again, granulocytes are divided into three types depending upon staining property of granules. These types are, first type is the neutrophils, which is constitute about 70% of total WBCs. Then second is the eosinophils or acidophils, which constitute about 1 to 3% of total WBCs. And again, third type is the basophils, which constitute about 0.5% to 1% of total WBCs. The first type is the neutrophils, which is constitute about 70% of total WBCs. In neutrophils, cytoplasmic granules are stained with neutral dyes. Nucleus is a multilobed, 3 to 5 lobes are present, called as the polymorphs or called as the polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Neutrophils are also called as polymorphs or polymorphonuclear leukocytes. Functions. First function of neutrophils. These are able to perform amoeboid movement. These are able to perform amoeboid movement and phagocytosis. Then second function, which is responsible for destroying pathogens by the process of phagocytosis. Then third function is the pus cells. Pus is a mixture of dead neutrophils. Pus cells is a mixture of dead neutrophils, damaged tissues and dead microbes. Pus is a mixture of dead neutrophils, damaged tissues and dead microbes, which is the first cell of granulocyte is the neutrophils. Then second type of granulocyte cell is the eosinophils or acidophils, which is constitute about 1 to 3% of total WBCs. In the cytoplasmic granules are stained with acidic dyes. Cytoplasmic granules are stained with acidic dyes, that is the eosine. The nucleus is bilobed. The nucleus is bilobed. See in figure. In cytoplasm, nucleus is bilobed. In eosinophil, nucleus is bilobed. Then functions of eosinophils, their number increase in allergic conditions. The number of eosinophils or basophils cells increases in allergic condition and they show antihistaminic property. Their number increase in allergic condition and they show antihistaminic property. Then second function of eosinophils or acidophils is they are responsible for detoxification. They are responsible for detoxification, and third function of eosinophil or acidophil is they produce antitoxins. They produce antitoxins. Then next is the third granulocyte is the basophils. Basophils cells constitute about 0.5 to 1% of total WBCs. Basophils constitute about 0.5 to 1% of total WBCs. In basophils, the cytoplasmic granules are stained with a basic dye, that is the methylene blue. In basophils, the cytoplasmic granules are stained with a basic dye, that is the methylene blue. The nucleus is bilobed. In basophils, nucleus is bilobed but twisted. The nucleus is bilobed but twisted. Then functions of basophils. Basophils are present in infected and allergic conditions only. First function of basophils is the present infected and allergic conditions only. And then second function is the basophil secretes heparin, histamine and serotonin. Basophils secretes heparin, histamine and serotonin. Thank you.